asked by our HR team to have a QLM session on cybersecurity awareness for the digital age.
The subject was chosen by you or it was given to you?
So some options were given, so I have chosen this as a. So as it says, stay safe, stay secure, stay informed. Okay. So in this session, I will be covering the overview of this session would be empowering employees with the knowledge of to protect their digital assets. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. It is not like only the IT team is responsible for cybersecurity. It is responsible for each and every person who is there. And awareness and threats are the best practices for cybersecurity. So anybody knows anybody who can say what is cybersecurity basically?
IDD.
Anyone can say.
ये सिस्टम हमारा एक डेटा होता है सर्वर पे, जैसे उसमें मोबाइल नंबर हो गया, लाइक ईमेल हो गया, वो क्रूशियल होता है किसी यूजर का. तो अगर हमारे यहाँ से डाटा लीक होता है तो वो मिसयूज हो सकता है, वो भी सिक्योरिटी.
Right. So basically whatever is connected to the internet, whether it is a hardware, it is a software or it is a data, it comes under cybersecurity. Okay. And what we need to protect: client data, employee personal data, financial transactions. Once we are connected to the internet, we are doing a lot of financial transactions. Like everybody is connected to the bank is connected and UPI is connected. So financial transaction, a lot of financial transaction is happening. Internal communication system and intellectual property and trade secrets. So there are many emails and all these which are going through exchanging from us to the clients and to all whosoever is connected to us. So there are many other trade secrets which are there. So that also comes under cybersecurity. From the HR, he has received a mail from that I need an employee detail, and without seeing that from where that mail is coming, that details were shared on his personal details, and those details were shared on the personal link, and all the information has gone to that person of the organization, whosoever was the employees, all the HR information. So that is a real वो बोलते हैं कि वो phishing city of the country, मतलब वहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा scams होते हैं. Avoid sharing sensitive info online or client's name. Never mention any client's name if you are interacting with someone you are not familiar with. Never disclose anything. Don't show office IDs or desk in photos, selfies, and decline unknown requests on social media. We tend to accept requests from unknown sources, so sometimes please don't do that. Verify that mail that has come from a right person. Sometimes what happens is like the name of the sender is from a known sender, but the email ID is some other email ID which can be of a hacker's email ID. So we have to be careful. Avoid clicking on unknown links. Whatever unknown links if you are sending, if you are not sure, please don't click on them because it can really affect the data and also affect your transaction also. Don't download suspicious files. Never, if you are not sure about the file, please don't download it. There is a new scam which is there, like for example on your WhatsApp, vulnerability in this exchange service software that was actively exploited by a group known as Hafnium. Thousands of organizations exposed before a patch was released. So this was another example where Microsoft Exchange, there was a patch which was not released, and on that day, thousands of companies were affected because of this. If anybody get a chance, please give
Even return of Abhimanyu is a good move.
Yes. Key message: cybersecurity is everyone's job. Stay vigilant. Think before you click. Thank you. IDD.
ये सिस्टम हमारा एक डेटा होता है सर्वर पे, जैसे उसमें मोबाइल नंबर हो गया, लाइक ईमेल हो गया, वो क्रूशियल होता है किसी यूजर का. तो अगर हमारे यहाँ से डाटा लीक होता है तो वो मिसयूज हो सकता है, तो पूरा इंक्रीज सिक्योरिटी.
Right. So basically, whatever is connected to the internet, whether it is a hardware, it is a software, or it is a data, it comes under cybersecurity.